My aloe vera gel is finished, but it's not the end of the world. Let's improvise. So first of all, you're going to be needing the aloe vera gel, the leaf, and then your vitamin E, knife, warm water, a bowl, a mixer, and then an empty container. So first you're going to be peeling off the edges. Cut it into some pieces so it can be comfortable for you to peel, I mean. So we're going to peel in the leaf. Gosh, look at this juice. I'm so satisfied the way it looks. So we're done peeling out the leaf. Now scrape or scoop out the gel into your empty container. Gosh, I'm so satisfied. Look at that juice. I'm so satisfied with this juice. Damn. So we're still scraping. The one, the aloe vera gel helps your skin in retaining its moisture and also improves its radiance. Wow, look at that. Well, you know aloe vera reduces aging, right? It reduces premature aging by improving elasticity and repairing cells. As you can see, I'm really struggling to scoop the gel out because it's so slippery. Just take your time. Peel off any extra leaf, and then you can rub the remains of this aloe vera gel on your hair. You know it's very useful for your hair, right? It helps in hair growth and moisturizes your hair. Next, add vitamin E to your gel, but this vitamin E is so hot, so now I'm going to be dissolving it in hot water. This vitamin serves as a preservative. You can also use orange essential oil. Stir well for 3 to 4 minutes until it's well dissolved. Girl, your gel is ready. But if you're not satisfied with this mixture, you can blend it with a mixer. Next, you place your mixture into a boiling water. Allow it to boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Don't allow the water to get into the gel. Now when you're done, you have to filter it. I'm sorry I'm not showing you guys that part, but I lost some clips. So this is my final result. Now place it into your empty, clean container. Enjoy. I hope you'd find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share to friends. Comment down in the comment section below and tell me what kind of videos you want me to make next. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.